Hello friends, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel One Tech Stop. This is my first YouTube video and I hope you will enjoy this video. So without any further delay, let's directly dig into our today's topic. So our today's topic is a step-by-step installation of VirtualBox and Windows Server 2016. So the prerequisites to install the VirtualBox and Windows Server 2019 is like you need to have a VirtualBox installed in your host system, and you need Windows Server 2019 ISO image. To download the VirtualBox, you can directly go to the virtualbox.org and you can directly click on Windows Host. You can click on Downloads and you can directly click on Windows Host. This will install the .exe file and you can run, and simply it's a simple installation. You can go like next and finish. So once you are ready with your VirtualBox installation, you need to have again uh, the Windows Server 2019. So you can directly go to the Microsoft Evaluation Center and there you can download the ISO image. And there are pretty other websites as well available on internet from where you can download Windows Server 2019 ISO images. So once you are installed with Windows with VirtualBox Manager, so this is the screen that you will get after the installation of VirtualBox. So in order to create a virtual machine, you need to go to and click on New, and you will be entering here. In our case, I will be entering the name as um, let's say lab DC01, and I will be selecting same like a Microsoft Windows and the version. The version I am going to select here is Windows Server 2019 64-bit. So simply click on next. Here you can select the memory size. I will keep as a default, and if you want you can increase from here. So I will keep as a 2 GB and I will click on next. Here create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, create, and I will click next, and here you need to assign the memory, the hard disk size again. So you can put like 100 GB and click on create. So here lab BC, as you can see, the lab BC1 is already created here. So before clicking on start, we need to have some settings to be done. So go to settings, then go here you can see like a lab DC01 Microsoft Windows, and like a version is Windows 2019. Okay, then advanced, you can see all these details. This is the snapshot of storage location. All these options are available. So our settings are like first setting, we'll go to system. In the boot order menu, we will remove the floppy disk, uncheck the floppy, and we'll keep hard disk as the first boot order and optical as the second boot order. After that, go to processor and assign like 2 cores. Now once it is assigned, just go to storage, and here we need to mount the ISO image. To mount the ISO image, click on empty, click on this CD icon. You can choose or create a virtual disk, and here you can add. I have already added this one. If you want to add more, you can add, click on add, and you can go to the storage location of your Windows Server. So here Windows Server 2019, okay, choose. Then the network settings, in the network settings we will be checking a bridge adapter because I want to use the internet to our machine as well. So click on select a bridge adapter, then click OK. Once these settings are done, you are now good to start your virtual machine. So just click on start. Now this will start the installation of your Windows Server 2019. So just let's wait until it starts up. As you can see, the machine is getting started now. Okay. Now here you can select the languages, time and currency, formats, the keyboard input and everything. So I will keep this as a default. Just click on next and click install now. Now here we have got like four options to install a standard evaluation and a data center evaluation. And in that we have like a two flavors. You can go with evaluation with a desktop experience and as a standard evaluation normal. So I will be installing standard evaluation with a desktop experience. Click on next. I accept. Next. Here to clean, we are installing the clean installation. So click on custom installation. Now here this is completely unallocated space. So we need to create a partition. So click on new and I will take the complete memory, apply. Okay. So here it created default like two partitions. One is system reserve and another partition where we are going to install our Windows Server 2019. Select that partition and click on next. Now the installation is started. Okay guys, we will be back once the installation is completed. Installation has been finished and it's restarting our Windows server. Now it's prompting to enter the password for the administrator. So let's keep the password. I keep my password and click on finish. So guys, we have successfully installed our Windows Server 2019. Let's log into our Windows Server 2019. Here it's asking for the network. So okay, yes. Now, now we will be installing the VB VirtualBox guest additions. This actually is a device drivers and system applications that optimize the operating system for better performance and usability. So install this one, we'll go to devices and click insert guest addition CD image. Let's just click don't show this message again. Let's minimize this server manager. Let's open again this PC, and you will find after clicking that one you will find a CD drive. Double click on that one and you need to install VBox Windows Additions. Just double click this one, click on next, next, and install. Sometimes it will also ask for another prompt for the install. If it asks, then directly click on install. Now here it's asking to reboot now. Just click finish and reboot the machine. Let's log into our machine. Now we will activate another options like for the drag and drop and shared clipboard. Click on devices, drag and drop and select as a bidirectional. This will help us to drag and drop the files and folders from our host machine to the virtual machine. And another option is device shared clipboard, and this is also bidirectional. This will help us any screenshots or any copy paste we can do from our host machine to our virtual machine. So our Windows Server 2019 installation has been finished. Thank you friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for a new upcoming video.